Ta-da! That's what it looks like. That's what we did this week. We have weatherboarded the second story. Monday to Wednesday was just non-stop weatherboarding, and it was so productive. It was just Gene and myself this week. Didn't have any trades. Perfect weather. Just smashed it out. Had a lot of those tricky angles on the side of the house. A few of them. A couple of cutouts around the windows. But the ones I really like are the ones where it's just a right angle cut. Just hand it over and it just nails right in. So yeah, so lots of footage of weatherboarding this week. We've also put in the gable up the top, and also we've put in the Edwardian sashes on the windows as well. So house is looking great. So we started on the front, finished all that off. Then we went to the west side, which is a lot more flatter. And then we did the north side, which is a 5-degree pitch around the meals area and alfresco. And then this area here, we tried to do at the end of the day when the sun had dried out the roof. Otherwise, it just got way too slippery and dangerous. So we did have our own scaffolding though that we made up to for safety as well. So that was important to have. See a lot of footage this week of weatherboarding, and it's the top story is clattered. It's done. It's locked up. It's really great to. Sometimes Jen and I come out the front and just keep looking at it because he's such a great builder. So we also did this week, we did some Eave sheeting. So Thursday we did Eave sheets. So Eave sheets are the white panels that you can see underneath the eaves. So that's all Eave sheets. So that's like cement sheeting. And you just nail them in and they slot into the fascia, the metal fascia. So we've done pretty much 80% of the Eave sheets around the house. We pre-painted them and then put them in. And then today we have a concrete skip. So that's all concrete left over from the garage slab. Big pile of mud there. Bleh. And a big tidy up. Like we put all the timber inside. So there's nothing on the front lawn anymore. In here's tidied up too. We've given it a real big sweep. So it's a lot tighter. Got rid of all the plastic too because it was just wet and muddy in here when it was raining. But now it's all locked up. It's just so nice to be dry. So nice to be dry. So we've also put in this door as well, the sliding door, and this is another thing that just locks the place up. Every time you put one of those in, it's just really, really nice. So yeah, it's been a really great week. Perfect weather, like I said. Jen and I have had a great time, and it's the last full week that I'm on site. So next week, I'm only here Wednesday to Friday because I'm going away over the weekend. So Jean's taking some time off too, which is great. So I think a well-earned rest. So yeah, second last update. Next week, I reckon the update is going to be, I was thinking about it, because I won't have as much footage for you guys. I was thinking I might do a bit of a walkthrough of what we've done so far up to that point. So next week's the last update. So I hope you've enjoyed all these. I've really enjoyed making them, and it's been great being able to just show family and friends around as well. So yeah, have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you next week for the last update.
How's this, Brendan?
No.
Another window in.
Oh. They're all going in. All this space we've regained.
No, we could have ballroom dancing. Will you dance with me?
Oh, anytime. Anytime.
Well, that's better. I'm happy with that,
Oh.
Brendan.
Oh, yeah.
Nearly.
Nearly.
Oh, watch your face.
I was looking at it the wrong way. I should have.
Oh, it'll be on the camera.
It's not well.
Oh, really?
No, it's.
Gonna say, this is a
gold.
monumental moment. Beautiful one it is.
You're gonna love not having that camera around, aren't you?
No, because then you're not around.
Dicking around with that camera.
Brendan!
Stop dicking around.
There was
with
that one week which I was like, seriously, we've done nothing because all you do is tinker.
Which week was that?
Oh, when we were framing or something.
Oh, I was putting it on the chimney, yeah.
Oh,
That's the week you have to get the footage. You have